Yo, good morning. It is the 23rd of December, 11:52 a.m. Finally got my voice back a bit. Still a bit hurts, still hurts a bit, whatever. Get your words out. I've forgotten how to speak because I've not been able to for ages. 23rd of December, 2025. It's coming to an end. My cough has kind of gone. Kind of. Not fully. Let us walk up this way. Just need to walk into town, so I'm going to go up here, up Bath Road, and back along, is it Belgrave? Can't remember. Up the top. See, my cough is completely gone, unless I try and talk. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Cool palm tree, cordyline pine. It's not a pine though, is it? Is it cordyline palm? Not sure. Cabbage palm. It's definitely a palm, not a pine. Let's have a look at the bay and then go up Bath Road. It's a bit cooler today than it has been the last few days, but it's not cold. It's not warm, but it's not cold. Hold on a minute. Is that metal? It is. Is that going to fall off there? Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I need to do a lot more of this. Vary the height, ideally. There, that's all I can do. Stick you back on my head. How have you all been? I haven't been uploading a huge amount the last couple of weeks just because I've had a horrible cold for 2 weeks. Look at these cordylines. Cabbage palms. Oh no, hang on, that's not a cabbage palm, this one is. Okay, they're different. With the little white berries that all the birds love. Somebody's cleared a bit of vegetation on the top of this wall. No side of the wall being repaired still though. Bath Road remains closed, which to be honest suits me because it's a good little spot for birding along here. And if there are no cars going up and down, then happy days as far as I'm concerned. So we're definitely entering the winter blues, the winter gloom. Even in the Undercliff, I'm not keen on winter. It's one of the better places to be in winter. This has opened up a bit. Yeah. My voice is going, so I'm not going to say much more. Just going to have a walk. Oh, thank you to Simon, I think it's Simon, for your financial contribution. That was really much appreciated, thank you. Goes towards Flea, a little slush fund for Flea to keep her on the road. Anyone else wishes to support the channel, then buymeacoffee.com is the way to do it. There's a link to that in the description, or you can use the PayPal link as well. It's also in the description below this video. Oh, that's quite a chilly little breeze actually. Doesn't feel like winter at all though. Feels like late autumn. We breeze through the winter solstice, so the days now are allegedly getting longer. So yeah, my contract finishes the end of February. That's a hard cut off. It will not continue beyond that. So my financial situation will deteriorate. I'm going to have to work out what to do. What I will be doing is finding a part-time job and then focusing mostly on writing and video content creation. But that will take a while to build up. No sign of any black red starts. Or black caps. I know where one black cap is, but only one. They've become very scarce the last few years. So this road is open again. They finally finished the rock removal. I preferred it when it was closed. Now there's loads of cars going backwards and forwards, or going forwards. Not many going backwards, I have to admit. Back and forth would be the better way of putting it. There's the Wellington festive lunch. The great festive lunch. That sounds exciting. £12, exactly midday. Don't know why this is closed off. I assume they're going to re-treat the seats or something, the chairs, benches. That's the word. And there we have the face of the newly exposed face of the rocky fall area here, with netting over it. Lizards are going to be happy with that. Once it vegetates over a little bit, the lizards will be well chuffed. Nice new rails on this side. New benches as well, or new wooden planks on them anyway. Now the benches themselves may be new, they certainly look it. Don't want to be going behind there. A free desk. Very cool. Ooh, very cool. Well, I'm going to switch you off for a minute. I don't like to record in town particularly.
Now your spice, do you want a single shot alcohol?